Floki Inu yet once again brings us more updates. So here I am making the coverage because I don't want you to miss this train. And of course, with that, I am the most open-minded investor / NFT artist on YouTube with a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, cookie-accepting, cat-free, taking point specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends. And last, as a believer of Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary Vee and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean, but with hair naturally curlier than the average Asian male, and highly coveted by many members of daughters, also known as Handel Kim. And today we're going to be looking at the Floki chart, guys. This is what it looks like, and you know what? Things are looking quite promising indeed. So we did expect a indecision or a buying zone, sort of where the price level is right now with us. This level here, I'd say, is a good place to enter into. And you know what? We're looking at a very, very good dollar cost average moment as well, because there's a bit of an indecision and sort of support / resistance level sitting there at the moment. Now, if that doesn't quite work out, this zone that we're in right now is actually quite a significant zone, because if we look at the Fibonacci retracements from the top to bottom, and what I will do is I'll just stretch that out a little bit more so that we're all on the same page here. As you can see, the levels have tested the 236 or the 618 level. It's the same thing. And of course, if it does then bounce off of this, and these are some key levels of resistance that we'll face. And outside of that, we're potentially moving all the way up to that 5 over there as well, which is quite crazy. If we then consider the low as to the low of back in September, which, you know, if you think about it, isn't that far away. That dip that we had was actually around that level there. So it might be actually in your best interest to put some buy orders in these key levels here. So those zones would be right now looking at the 0.008. And you know, these are the prices that you want to catch them at. When the graph is going up like crazy, you try and catch these tops. Well, you're not going to make any money if it then does dip. So what you want to do is just like this one, it has moved, it has fallen. You want to try and catch at these levels, right? So that then you can dollar cost average and minimize the cost of acquisition of this particular asset here. And after that, we're looking pretty good, guys. If the Bitcoin market does really well, then it's going to be quite moving. At the moment, the net transfer volume from exchanges, it actually has been dropping on exchanges, which means that people are wanting to hold Bitcoin for the long term. And that's a really positive sign. Moving forward, we've got FC20, who has, by the way, 130K followers, right? Have partnered with Floki Inu, guys. And there's obviously news coverage on that as well. So yet another soccer team that has partnered with Floki Inu, which is really, really encouraging to see. We're also seeing that Floki Inu, which has had a partnership with SCC Napoli. They've just won a game, which is amazing, right? And also their partnership with FC Spartak Moscow. They have actually sponsored a winning team once again as well, which is amazing. Another great update for you guys today is that Curate, which is an NFT platform, which looks like this. It has some 67.8 thousand followers. It's an NFT marketplace, you know, carbon neutral, cross-chain, all the good stuff, right? Creator economy. It just ticks all the boxes here. You know, it looks like some of the major guys are following this account as well. So we got ZXX Becker. So that's Alex Becker that's following Altcoin Daily is following it. Gate.io, KuCoin. So obviously a very reputable exchange. And they have just integrated a Floki token integration onto that platform as well, which is amazing. So those are the quick and brief updates on Floki Inu today, guys. I think Floki has the potential to definitely hit the moon. And now is a really, really amazing opportunity to actually catch some good prices on Floki, guys. Seriously, like I stressed once again, if the graph is going up like this, just try buy it at the corrections, right? But I think the best money is made is when graph does this and then it does this, right? You're gonna bounce. That is when you want to get into, because then it will then move, right? Like this. I mean, think about it. I was just looking at a chart the other day and it looked so good. Yeah, Poker City was one of them. For example, look at this Poker City. At the beginning, it moves, drops down, and it stays down, and then it'll just catch enough momentum, and then it will start moving again. That's what we're expecting to see with Floki, guys. So with that being said, thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. And of course, if you haven't done so, make sure you go subscribe to the whitelist for the DRNA, which is the NFT drop that's coming soon, one of the most exciting ones. And just to let you guys know, I'm actually keeping an eye on some coins. Poker City is one of them. GameStarter is another one. I think it dipped really well, and our fundamentals are really good as well. And of course, Lossless. Lossless is looking pretty damn schmick at the moment. So see, these are the charts that I chase, because this is when, you know, when the moons come in, not when it moons, don't get in when it moons, come in when it dips like. So I think those are some good opportunities there for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure also go click on the link below for the Discord link, because that shit is going to make you a crap ton of money. Thank you so much. Much love. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.